Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying another 9 syllables of page number 10 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. It's from here to there. This slide is for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. So the first three syllables about the letter Sheen. Okay. And Sheen is one of the light letters. Sheen Fatha Sha, Sheen Fatha Sha, Sheen Kasra Shi, Sheen Kasra Shi, Sheen Dhamma Shu, Sheen Dhamma Shu, Sha, Shi, Shu, Sha, Shi, Shu. The next 3 syllables are about Ya. There is a light letter used as a light letter here. Ya Fatha Ya, Ya Fatha Ya, Ya Kasra Yi, Ya Kasra Yi, Ya Dhamma Yu, Ya Dhamma Yu, Ya Yi Yu, Ya Yi Yu. Okay. The next 3 syllables about Dad, the letter Dad. And Dad is one of the heavy letters. It's one of the heavy letters. Dad Fatha Da, Dad Fatha Da, Dad Kasra Di, Dad Kasra Di, Dad Dhamma Du, Dad Dhamma Du, Da Di Du, Da Di Du. So the next slides would be without spellings. Sha, Shi, Shu, Sha, Shi, Shu. Ya, Yi, Yu, Ya, Yi, Yu, Da, Di, Du, Da, Di, Du. That's the end of this session. In next session, we will practice those 9 syllables 10 times without explanation. We will see you in next session, inshallah. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.